mentioned steps में कि आपको दो eye corners select करने हैं. One is this one, other one this. So it's make a simulation eyeball around the eye. Now, then the part is the thresholding. Here we do the thresholding to detect the pupil out of all the other things in the camera feed. So here, pretty much good enough. Let me just increase it a little. So this value is good. So according to me, this value is good enough that it can almost track my eye on every corner and part. So yeah, this is fine. Next we can move to calibration step. Now on this step, as this is not too production grade, so you need to keep your head still to make it actually work. So yeah, so I will start this. So calibration start like this. You need to map your eye coordinates to all the 9 points of the screen so that it get mapped to on the screen chart where how your eye will appear on the screen. So Sahil, you can explain.
So now he need to see on these dots on all the edges of the screen, and then his eyes will be collaborated with the screen. So now wherever he will see, this dot will move after this step, and then we can simply control our UI through this. So let's just wait for it. So now calibration step is complete. So now wherever Arunya is seeing, this dot is following his eyes. With the help of this, he can now control our custom UI that we have built. And वो green dot पे जाके full screen कर ले top पे, हाँ click कर ले, yes.
So now you at least need a one spacebar ability, like one finger movement, so that you can have a input something to input something. So let's say I want to control appliances.
Now this feature is, for example, you want to turn on the light in your room or fan in the room. So to simulate that, we have used these LEDs here. So show here. So the LED got turned on. So a paralyzed patient with only his eyes can control appliances in his room. Yeah.
It will load just a second.
Next feature is the chat feature. So the paralyzed patient can chat with anyone. Through this, he get power to chat.
Show my Telegram in my laptop.
So it is basically connected with the Telegram API, and the message is received here. Let me show you.
It's loading, so we have to wait a little. Yeah. So here all the chats are appearing on this side. I can just also select this one. Yeah. So to reply other person messages, I can select these replies, which are provided to me by AI, and they get reloaded after every new message. So it is hi Arunya.
So I just received the message as hi Arunya. That's how a paralyzed patient can chat with his friends.
Or I can retry the messages if I don't like them. It takes some time. Yeah. Next feature is this one. Talk alive. So I can talk to a person who is sitting next to me. So
Hello, how are you? So now AI will generate 4 responses that a paralyzed patient can give to the people.
स्पीकर नहीं काम कर रहा.
बड़ा ट्राई करिए, स्पीकर क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा?
बोल.
Hello, how are you?
Don't worry about language barriers, I'm here to help.
Okay. तो वो हमने जब हिंदी में बात की थी तो वॉइस थोड़ी मैनिपुलेट होगी, लाइक इट वाज इंग्लिश ट्रेंड है. So yeah, other ones are necessities. So these are the necessity we have added. Doctor can add it to patient dashboard, and according to this necessity, the caretaker will receive the message.
अच्छा.
Or also it will speak it aloud.
So I as a caretaker get the message. Sahil needs water to drink.
Yeah. So these are all the things. So, this one.